have assembled for the second pollen of the day. In uniform. Cut.
Parade! Saavdhan! Vikram! Saavdhan! Still one sound is not coming. Seniors, second report. Boy, get up. Hello. Chair, hello. Bring that chair.
Chair తీసురా.
Parade! Saavdhan! Plymouth, सामने देख. Head! Head! Ho!
We have IGC team over here with us. And, training our IGC team is Pawan Kumar sir. Sir, IGC team के लिए message.
Sir.
ठीक है सर, एक मिनट रश ले लीजिए, मैं एक को इंट्रोड्यूस लेता हूँ.
कैसे करना है अभी? ओके?
Before you guys begin it, थोड़ा वीडियो लेने दो यार. We have IGC team and the strength is around. No strength. 18. They will later on get filtered up. I'll introduce you to the IGC team. Your name and regiment number, please.
Jagdishwar Rao, 177
We have SWs.
Manisha Rawat,
बैरक लगा ले.
173732.
Next.
It's me, Pooja Hasra, 173734.
Sandhya, 173702.
CH Manikanta, 173737.
Arun Kumar 173
173-716 cadet Dilip Gorle.
K. Leelavati, 173743.
Cadet B. Prashanti, 173723.
B. Sunanda, 173725.
Cadet Sharda Singh, APSW, 173708.
Cadet Appalandi 173
Cadet CHS Ganesh Kumar 173712. Cadet Harshvardhan 173708.
Cadet Raghusagar, 173
Cadet Ketil Babu 173
Cadet P. Vamsi Krishna, 173
Okay, as you can see, all the cadets are drenched in sweat here completely. And if at all they do a drill for a couple of hours, they'll literally take a bath in sweat. So Pawan sir has advised that to record video when they do the drill in a perfect manner. So it's off for now.
Nakanda.
Pitch up. One. Slightly lean back. Keep the elbow straight. Pitch up. One. Forward. Hook. Nice and good. Chop. Pitch up. One. Right there. One. Okay, Ganesh. Pitch up. One. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Pitch up. One. Get the dressing. Bring your file. Enter the same gap. Right there. One. Good. Right. Come. Turning like be attentive.
ఆర్టీ క్యాంప్ అంటే తెలిసిన జేడి బాయ్స్ రిపబ్లిక్ డే పీరియడ్ కి మనకి రిపబ్లిక్ డే ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ జనవరి 26 జరుగుతుంది కదా, అక్కడ పీరియడ్ జరుగుతుంది ఢిల్లీలో. ఎల్సిసి పీరియడ్ 27th జరుగుతుంది తెలుసా, 27th జరుగుతుంది ఎల్సిసి పీరియడ్.
Attitude. Up. Top. Attitude. Hey. Top.
సెంటర్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోవాలి.
Good evening, cadets. On the onset, I would like to, on behalf of all my PI staff, welcome you all to this 4th combined annual training camp. Same time, I take this opportunity to introduce you towards all to myself. I am Wing Commander P. Rajendra. Recently taken over as girl cadet, senior boys cadet. There are certain distance to be maintained. Please do maintain. There are certain places where it is being barricaded. Buttons and yes unnai. Please do not cross them and do not set anything fun. And I say I am open for certain things, at the same time I am not open to few things which will not be willingly tolerated at all. As far as things goes about your wasting food and all, definitely it is something which we are trying to give our best. Meta camp I have not attended, but it was a compliment for me. Afternoon the group commander came and he said the food was very good, and keeping the other camps what I have seen, definitely the standard was up to the mark, but definitely there is a scope for improvement and I'll try to improve. But I'll expect that no food is being wasted. మీకు ఎంత కావాలో అంతే తీసుకోండి. If need be, please ask for a second helping, and definitely second helping doesn't mean to keep filling your plate. It may be reasonable, but don't take so much food also that you cannot eat and you are just throwing it. Okay? Don't. అర్థమైందా నీకు చెప్పింది? food wastage is not accepted at any cost. And same goes for water also. There are certain timings have been spelled out as per the training program, wherein you are supposed to be at a particular time, be there. And at the same time, lights out time only, 9 o'clock. Please stick to the lights out time. Okay? Phones by all means are omitted, mobile phones. But I don't want to see anybody roaming around with a mobile phone, speaking, just in the corridor, just for the sake of speaking. 9 o'clock, dark time only. Please speak by all means. If you want to speak after that also, I would suggest you can cut the talk and talk next day morning. If something very urgent, please be at your place and speak and finish it at the earliest. There's no point keep talking till 10:30, 11, 11:30, 12, and next day morning, Mali means 5:30, 11, and you will not be in a good health. Whose mobile is it? Please switch it off. Mehtalandur kuda, please next time onwards, whenever you are coming for a roll call, mobile unte, mobile ni switch off chesandi, లేదా దాన్ని silent mode, vibrant mode లో పెట్టేయండి. Just for that 15-20 minutes. That is not only for roll call, whether you're in a training or wherever it is. Certain things which have been given to your privilege, please enjoy that. Don't make it a situation where we need to withdraw those privileges. Okay? As I was saying, please follow the lights out timing. And I hope you all enjoy the camp. And as I said, the Guru Mantra, to enjoy anything, be the part of it. మీరు వచ్చారు ఇక్కడ 10 రోజులకి ఏదో ట్రైనింగ్ ప్లాన్ చేస్తుంది, ఆ ట్రైనింగ్ ఫాలో అవ్వండి అండ్ జస్ట్ బీ విత్ ద ఫ్లో అండ్ ఎంజాయ్. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ షూర్ యూ విల్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఎంజాయ్. ఎనీబడి హ్యాస్ ఎనీ పాయింట్స్ ఆర్ ఎనీ kind of things pressing hard which needs attention, please walk up to your handlers, PI staff. They will bring it to my notice. If they are not there, you are most welcome to enter my office and put across your points. Whatever the best I can do, I will do it. As far as things goes about book out, I will not say totally book out ledu ani, but whoever has any requirements, if it's your parents' anniversary, your birthday or something, please take care.
Hey, silence.
Okay, the book out's something which is not totally a no, but I will be letting the cadets out only if you have approval from your parents, that you are committed by your parents, a letter signed by your parents, that for this reason you need to be away from the camp. That too will be only for maximum 12 hours, not more than that. Unless until something very untoward things happen where you need to be there, then definitely we will consider the particular case individually. But otherwise, not more than 12 hours. Maximum is 12 hours. That too on prior approval of your parents. If anybody has any such requirements, I request you to please go to your ANO after the roll call. Give them your requirements. They will in turn brief you to get whatever approval from your parents. And once that is there, then only I will be allowing you. You will not come to any of the PI staff or ANO for a book out. I need to go today evening. My father or parents' anniversary undi. Nenu sayankalam bayitiki ellali. Please allow me. No, that will not be the case. Okay. And once again, I will insist. Please do not waste food. There are a lot of people in this country who don't get 2 square meals also. You are fortunate enough. Government is providing you, and we will at the same time give you the best of what we can with the available resources. Okay? Thank you and enjoy the camp.
What is it? Whatever